coming to you from the Brick and Mortarless Design Center in Las Vegas, Nevada, talking to you about the Slofa. Let me show you how easy it is to open. Now let me show you how easy it is to put away. The Slofa is made by Omnia Leather in Chino, California. There are 7 different options of the Slofa. Let me show you some of our fabrics and leathers that are available for you. Here are our fabrics. Absolutely beautiful. And here are some leathers. And here are the ones that are available, fabrics and leathers. In stock. If you would like to come and see more, come check out 6455 D. Martin Drive. Next, check out more of the projects we have done.